With a little old driver so lively and quick, I knew in a moment he must be Saint Nick. It's longer, but that's all we'll do. Yeah.
I'm looking forward to the rap remix.
You gotta hear a rap remix.
Kiara.
Yeah, I couldn't focus on the story because I turned the thing back on and Gura turned out to be super tiny.
Hold on, I can fix this. I can fix this.
Please make yourself a bit bigger. Thank you.
On my side.
Oh, no, it's back normal. Good out. Maybe you just make yourself bigger.
Yeah, you do that.
I think the controls from the ancient ones messed things up.
Seems my powers don't work on Chrysalis.
Maybe a bit bigger, good out. There we go. Still a bit small.
Gotta walk her a little bit.
Big. She's standing up right now.
On a stool.
I'm on a milk crate.
You're so, I guess that's alright. So smaller again. I will show the thing now. There we go.